Okay guys, so welcome back to our weekly outlook. So this week we have um NFP. So this is the first time I saw this NFP on Friday, Thursday. I think we moved it because of the holiday on Friday. Um, so we can trade Monday too. Yes, yes. We don't trade Wednesday, no trade. And then Thursday after NFP. And Friday, nothing. Okay, so that's it for the news. So for charting, for Forex, so for the DXY monthly, we fill this monthly FBE, right? And we're not sure if we're going to close below it or if we're going to just reject. But so far, I think the next target is this monthly low. So I think the equivalent here is this one. No. Okay, so this is kind of far actually. So on the EU, we already hit that target on the monthly. Mm. So we're not sure about what will happen here. It's not sinking on the monthly. On the weekly, so we close below this monthly FPG on the weekly, and we took out some liquidity here. This is a big liquidity. And a nice rejection from the bullish weekly filler block. Yeah, so same here for the block, but we close inside it. So for me, I can expect a retracement here. So next target would be this one. Is no, we already hit that. This equals on the weekly. Um, we also have this Verbal gap here, so this could also be the next target of the XY. We'll see how we react on this OB daily. Daily Sawa created a doji candle here on Friday. So we're likely to hit this daily verbal gap here. And probably this volume imbalance here. Probably Monday, yeah, Monday inside day, Tuesday, Thursday consolidating inside here. So I think will happen. Then continue lower. So the draw is still lower for me. Lower. Then bullish. Probably this C2 candle. If this is swing low to get this one, then higher. So what I think will happen here. Seems like we're having an SMT here on the daily. So expecting bullishness for the DXY. Bearish, the XY bullish majors. Daily, yeah, like I said, still bearish. We might retrace to this VI and then continue lower. Target is equal those. Um, we'll see on the open later. But yeah, so we have a swing high here. Let's see. So we have an SMT. If we change state delivery, then we might not turn into the fair value gap anymore. I mean, if we change state delivery here, it would make sense to trade to this fair value gap daily or here on the discount and then continue higher. This could also be the draw here. So if you notice here, here we have an SMT. SMT CISD that will confirm our uh change of order flow, and we might hit this low, equal lows, and I think let's see, what's equivalent here. We'll see how we deal with this one, this gap here. But for now, if we change state delivery, then we don't have to go here, I think. So if we frame that, then probably like this. So if we um compare it here, this is a breaker, right? So probably will respect the breaker. So continue higher and like that. If we actually we already changed state delivery here. So we might also do it here and we continue higher here. Actually, sorry, you have SMT and CIST here already. If we trade below here and then close, then we might target this lows, right? So we have SMT on the lows for DXY plus CISD. So it's high probability that we trade higher into the daily gap. Sorry, so this is not the case here. I think what will happen here is this will be a propulsion block and then continue higher. We need to reframe it. That's will happen first, but long term is still bearish. So here, if we close below this one, that would confirm the SLT, and then probably that. So this one would be probably like this. Yeah, so if this is the case, it would really make sense. But long-term bearish still. So yeah, that's it for EU, for majors. For the futures, um, yeah, as you can see, the target's still intact. So bullish monthly, very obvious. And then weekly, yeah. So I expect a continuation still higher this week, and then we might consolidate after that. Sorry, guys. Ah, bullish, hopefully expecting a continuation. Excuse me, guys. So, for the daily, I would say we're extended already here. So, probably this would be an order block here. And then let's see on the lower time frame. But on the daily, I think I would like to have a consolidation first before we hit the final target. Uh, so, what I think will happen. Same thing here. I would like that. That continue higher. From overextended, I will like replacement or consolidation for hitting the final target. On the 4 hour, yeah, so we traded to this gap already, then move higher. So as of now, I don't have a read here. I mean, if we create this as a C2, then higher prices is expected here, right? Um, yeah, so the daily in the 4 hour is seems like they're not overlapping here. So this gap is already filled. So the obvious move here is to go higher. So already creating a C2 here. Obvious move is higher. State the hourly confirms that, yeah. So on the hourly, it's not yet obvious what will happen here. We have a fair value gap here. Um, and we don't know how we will react to it. So we'll see on the open. Currently inside each one FEG. If we break into that and retest, then longs are confirmed. Yeah. Uh, Thursday NFP, Friday holiday. Okay. So that's my weekly outlook. Thank you for watching, guys. See you tomorrow on the open for the updated outlook. Peace.